think it's funny that our small community store sells tabletop games right here in the heart of the tech industry. My dad actually ran the very first analog gaming store in San Francisco back in 1973. He then founded Gamescape in 1985. The store was recently passed on to me as my father officially retired from the business. My favorite part of the store is our schedule of events. People get to play the games and create an experience for each other. Like lots of stores over the past few years, our customers are definitely spending more money online, and they're also spending more time online, researching games and checking availability. With our old point of sale system, we were pretty limited. It couldn't put Gamescape inventory online. When we decided it was time to go digital, we upgraded to Square POS, which was fairly easy. Once our items are logged into the system, Google does the rest of the work, which allowed us to easily showcase all of our in-store products across Google Search, Maps, and Shopping tab. We were able to get our e-commerce site up and running quickly to sell to gamers anywhere in the country. And now with the help from Google, we can show local customers what we have in store too. So if a customer is searching on Google for a new strategy game, a 2,000-piece puzzle, or a learning game for their grandkids, when they type it into Google, our inventory can come up as they search. Google and Square have made it all unbelievably easy. Since getting our inventory on Google, we've also run some really targeted local inventory ads that were also super easy to set up. Our products have gotten about 20 million views and close to 11,000 clicks. The sales of the store have increased year after year since 2019 and has led to the store hiring additional staff, which in recent years has doubled from 5 to 10 members. Turns out digital works great for analog businesses.